educationist.com.
Today, let's discuss about the physiography of India. What do you mean by the word physiography? Physiography means how the land looks like or how it appears. The physical appearance of land area or the physical landscape of an area is known as physiography. It means the elevation or the up and downs of that terrestrial area. The physiography of India can be mainly classified into 5. First one, the Himalayas. Second one, the Great North Indian Plains. Third one, the Peninsular Plateau. Fourth one, the coastal plains. And last, the islands. Today, let's discuss more about the Himalayas of India. It is believed that Himalayas are formed about 65 to 70 million years ago. Actually, the Himalayas are the youngest and the highest mountain ranges in the world. It is formed by the folding activity. It is formed by the collision of Indo-Australian plate and Eurasian plate. The Himalayas are composed of several major and minor ranges running parallel. There are several highest peaks are located in Himalayas. Himalayas can be classified mainly into 3. First one, the Himalayas. Second one, the Trans-Himalayas. And third one, the Purvachal or Eastern Hills. Let's discuss more about the Himalayas. This division can be further classified into 3: Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. Himadri is the northernmost ranges of Himalayas and it is also the highest. Himadri is otherwise called Central, Greater or Inner Himalayas. Its average height is about 6,100 meters. Himachal is otherwise called Lesser, Lower or Middle Himalayas. Its average height is between 3,500 to 4,500 meters. Shivaliks are the foothills of Himalayas. It is otherwise called Outer Himalaya. Its average height is about 600 to 1,500 meters. Now, let's discuss about Himadri. It is the northernmost range of Himalaya. It is otherwise called Central, Greater or Inner Himalayas. It is the loftiest and most continuous ranges in the world. Most of the highest mountain peaks are located in Himadri. For example, Mount Everest. It is about 8,850 meters height. And we know that it is the highest peak in the world. It is known as several names in several countries. It is known as Sagar Mada in Nepal, Chomolungma in Tibet, in Komolagma in China. In 1852, the Mount Everest declared as the highest peak in the world. In 1865, the name Mount Everest is given to this peak as a respect to Sir George Everest. Its early name was Peak 15. Other important peaks in Himadri ranges are Kanchenjunga, Mount Kanchenjunga is situated in Sikkim. Its major specialty is that it is the highest mountain peak in India. That is the highest peak that is completely located in India. It is Kanchenjunga. Next one, Nanga Parbat. Nanga Parbat is located in Baltistan region of Pakistan. It is the 9th highest peak in the world. Other important peaks in Himadri ranges are Annapurna, Makalu, Trishul, Dhaulagiri, Badrinath, etc. One of the major mountain range located in Himadri ranges are Hindukush mountain ranges. Hindukush mountain ranges are located in Pakistan and Afghanistan. There are several passes are located in Himadri ranges. What do you mean by a pass? Pass is a gap that located in mountain ranges that can be connect either either side of a mountain range. Let's have a look on different passes on Himadri ranges. First one, Bolang Pass. Bolang Pass is known as Gateway to India. Next one, Khyber Pass. Khyber Pass is in Hindukush mountain ranges. It connects Pakistan and Afghanistan. Next one, Khartungla. Khartungla connects Leh and Siachen Glacier. The major specialty of Khartungla is it is the highest motorable pass in the world. Next one, Nathula Pass. Nathula connects Sikkim in India and China. It is the oldest silk route. Next one, Jhalabla. Jhalabla connects Sikkim and Tibet. Jhalabla connects Kalimpong region in Sikkim to the capital of Tibet, the commercial capital of Tibet, Lhasa. Next one, Shipkila. Shipkila connects Himachal Pradesh to Tibet. And next one, Bomdila Pass. Bomdila. Bomdila connects Arunachal Pradesh and Tibet. These are the major passes located in Himadri region. The Himadri extends from Nanga Parbat in Baltistan, Gilgit region of Pakistan, in the northwest to Namcha Barwa, in Tibet, in the northeastern region. Okay, it's all about Himadri. Next, we can discuss about Himachal.
We are getting a right triangle OAP.
Next monsoon season is East Asian monsoon season. So it is a seasonal wind pattern or reversal mainly over the countries of China, Korea, Japan and Taiwan.
It actually contributes to the well-being of the society. When government takes or when government abolishes import duty on a particular item,
what do you mean by the word physiography? Physiography means how the land looks like or how it appears. The physical appearance of land area or the physical landscape of an area is known as physiography.
First, what is the definition of classification? See, classification is
വർത്തമാനകാല ക്രിയ എടുക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി ആ ലകാരത്തിലുള്ള രൂപമാണ് എടുക്കുന്നത്.